Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply hide chat in Twitch TV on your streamer. So let's start. Let's say I'm going to open Dice here and I can see like the Twitch chat here. So there are actually two ways how we can do it. So first, what I recommend, go to theater mode, and now you're gonna select the collapse here and expand. So these are the two ways what I recommend is like go to theater mode and then just like collapse in the right top corner. I recommend doing this because you have like really good pleasant experience watching people like Carnage, which is streaming like single player games, and I love it. Like when he was streaming the Horizon, it was epic. Just watching him like this without the chat, or you can have it with chat, is like doesn't matter. But yeah, this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comment. Have a great day and goodbye.